Hi, as I say to the wife, this is just a quick, slippy and quickly Monday one. Won't be long. Well, this is so rusty down the middle there, you can't see what the name is on it. I shall try to give it a light wire brush off. I have a problem with the sound today, so I might have to add some of my own sound effects. So the wire brushing is not working. We shall have to try something much more powerful. I've found you just need to lightly cover all the areas with this. Make sure every single bit that you want the rust removed from is covered. So we'll just wait the couple of minutes that it says on the tube. And give it a wipe off with a dry cloth. Followed up with an alcohol wipe. So it's only a minute ago, but just to remind you, here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. That shit's amazing. I'm actually thinking of selling me Axminster trade grinder because I don't need a wire wheel anymore. I must apologise for the lack of swearing in this video, but I'm quite happy today, so no swearing. Sorry. Okay, that's all for now. Don't forget you can buy this via my link. You have to go through my Patreon, which is just 99.99 a month. And for that you get nothing extra than nobody else. So buy this through my link. Shitz, it's only $89.95 a tube. But you have to subscribe and have a tube delivered monthly, whether you want it or not. Okay, that's all. Bye for now. Bollocks.